Once you have your main board hooked up and everything screwed in, we can go ahead and boot our machine up from the inside. And hopefully everything will load up and your new main board will boot up, and you will have to reprogram it, but hopefully we'll get all those connection settings now. And now we'll just wait for it to boot up. So we do have to reprogram our machine because it is a new main board, but now we'll go do that in our next video.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.